The conditional statements are used to execute different code based on different conditions. The if statement will execute only if the expression inside a parenthesis is true. This expression can include any of the conditional and logical operators. To execute more than one statement conditionally, we must group them together with curly brackets. The if statement can be extended with any number of else-if clauses to test for other conditions. Each additional condition will only be tested if all previous conditions are false. Finally, the if statement can have an else clause at the end, which will execute if all previous conditions are false. Next, there is the switch statement that compares an expression with a series of values. It can be used to write the exact same conditional statement as above, but the expression for the switch statement can only be used for integers, floats, and strings. Also, it will only check for equality, whereas with the if statement we can use any conditional operators. Note that the statements after each case value are not surrounded by curly brackets. Instead, we end our statements with a break keyword to skip the rest of the cases. PHP also has an alternative syntax for the conditional statements, where the opening brace is replaced with a colon, the closing braces are removed, and the last closing brace is replaced with the end if keyword. This makes it look similar to the switch statement. The switch statement, too, has an alternative syntax, this time with the end switch keyword at the end. In addition to these statements, there is the ternary operator that can replace an if-else clause. This operator takes three expressions. If the first one is true, the second expression is evaluated and returned, and if it's false, then the third one is.